Okay, here's a cold startup. Hard to tell from these pictures, but this motor's jumping all over the place. See if I can set it down here. The whole car is actually jumping, so it's hard to see it. It's really running rough. I'm going to give it some gas. You'll be able to hear the squeaking coming from the air management valve. Now I'm going to unplug the air management valve. This end over here. By the way, there's actually two sides to that where there's power going into both sides of that air management valve. And one is diverted air and one is just for the solenoid. I'm not sure which is which, but now listen with it disconnected. It's not making that squealing noise like a bad belt. Now, if I plug it back in, now let's hear it now again. The noise doesn't go away. We're running at now about 8 on the RPMs. Oh, that's a cold start. Next, I will film a hot start. I mean, it's not smoking or nothing. Let's see if I can get a better angle here. Alright, that's it for now. I'll get a warm start up.